I, Rotarian Soni Nevetia, Secretary of Biratnagar Downtown, would like to present annual report for the year 1920. A grand installation ceremony of our 15th President Rotarian Archana Taparia in the presence of District Governor Rotarian Kiran Lal Shrestha. She started her tenure with the vision to focus mainly on health, education and women empowerment. We had 52 weekly meetings, 12 board meetings and 6 club assemblies this year. Our meeting, being flexible, included fellowship and service in its regular meeting that helped in maximum participation from the members. Rotary Arogya Mission to provide continued access to free health care to underprivileged people of Biratnagar, the club had started Rotary Arogya Mission with the support of Birat Medical College on 6 August 2019. Under this mission, the club organized 12 health camps at different places of Biratnagar. So far, 6,000 patients of Dhuni, Dadaberia, Bhediari, Bargachi and other nearby villages have been benefited. The club had just not only provided checkups from specialist doctors but also provided ultrasound and glucose test as needed free of charges. Distribution of 5 wheelchairs to underprivileged students and factory workers. To empower small-scale entrepreneurs, a 2-day Rotary Trade Fair was organized by the club. 40 entrepreneurs were benefited and more than 3,500 people visited the fair. 3 months basic beautician course and basic stitching course have been conducted in association with ABC Nepal. Also donated 2 sewing machines to them. Water station was installed at our adopted school. Construction of 2 toilets through district grant. Water filter was given to Amakomaya Chhatrabas. Various awareness programs were organized on complication of pregnancy, importance of breastfeeding and menstrual hygiene. Kits consisting of necessities given to 50 mothers during lockdown and new dress set to 50 newborn at Kosi Zonal Hospital. Art of Living Yes course being organized at Amakomaya Chhatrabas for 3 days. 300 plants being planted that included fruits and flowering plants. Under Beautify Biratnagar project, 2 dustbins and 2 flower pots were installed in 90 poles of Biratnagar. Vocational award was given to Mrs. Narmada Podar for her humanitarian service in Paropakar Ghat. To stay connected with the youths, the club had organized many programs for them. Inter-school debate competition, drawing competition with Interacts at DAV school, Good Touch and Bad Touch awareness program at Sikshadip school, Devsi celebrations with the Rotaracts during the Dashera festival. To make better utilization of lockdown period, the club had also organized various online programs for youths. Club is running daycare center for the CP babies where the club provides daycare with transport facilities, lunch and snacks, physiotherapy and speech therapy. Beside this, 2 events were celebrated with these special children, Cerebral Palsy Day and Christmas. During lockdown, our club immediately came into action with many relief works. Under Teach component of literacy report, the club had done various programs at its adopted school Sri Janta Bal Adharvut Vidyalaya. To upgrade the knowledge of the members, the club had organized different talk shows. This year, our club was able to achieve first 100% RFSM club in the district 3292. Total contribution to TRF this year was $9,405. 3 members, Rotarian Archana Taparia, Rotarian Dipti Todi and Rotarian Madhu Kabra became PHS this year. A grand polio rally comprising 500 people was organized jointly with other 4 clubs of Biratnagar. Eight members have attended district conference at Pokhara, and the club also got opportunity to present its literacy report during the conference.
And it is my pleasure today to present literacy report of my club for the year 2019-20. Once Nelson Mandela said, "Education is the most powerful weapon that you can use to change the world."
Public image of the club includes coverage of its service projects and promotion of 4-way test in various print media and online media. This year, the club had organized fellowship depending on the festivals like Tees Fellowship, Dandiya Fellowship, Holy Fellowship.
तुझे